Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting Markdown files to Excel, Markdown table into Markdown files to Excel. So on my screen you can see I have a states Markdown file, which is I can open it with Notepad just to show you how it looks like. So it's a Markdown file with one table in it, and table contains state name, state code, region, subregion. This is a header, and you can see all US states in there. I will be converting this file into Excel using application I'll download from my website. This is my website. I will link application on this side into description. To find the application, click on search and type Markdown. And I need convert Markdown table, and I need convert Markdown table to Excel, or I can just scroll down and click on download button to start downloading process. I'll be recording more videos on converting Markdown tables into different formats, so if you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you want to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So you can see Google Drive is busy and I can download it anyway because I know it's a safe file, but it's good that Google Drive is a scanning file before releasing it to customer. It's nice to have, and sometimes it's busy to scan it and just giving me this warning. So close it, then go to download, click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive to start the installation, and click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, then click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we have to select Markdown table, file with Markdown table. I'll click on select input files, and I think it was a statesmd. Double click on it to add it, click on next step. Here I can select which columns I'd like to convert to Excel. So I can specify like certain amount of columns, so I can click select all, and they will be selected. Click on next step, and final step I'll just click run to create Excel file. It's asking me for name location of Excel file. This name location is okay, so I just click save, and you can see file has been saved. Let's go and open file. I don't have Excel on this computer, and Excel is not required for this application to work, or Office is not required. I can open it into Excel Mobile. It's a like free version of Excel. And I cannot change anything, I cannot edit it, but you can see all states are here from Alaska to Wyoming. Everything is here, and yeah, basically we converted. Also I have an XLS viewer. If you don't have Excel, it's just free app. I'll leave a link to this app too. It's showing what is inside of Excel file really quick, and I can do basic filtering, sorting, and export into different format if I want to. So basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below, and if you'd like to see more application like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.